Good morning from Multiversum. Today I will explain you the simple procedure to contribute to our project. First of all, you have to visit our website, which is www.multiversum.io, and click the Get Tokens button. Then you have to sign up. Please use a safe email address with a strong password. You select your country and you choose a strong password composed of symbols and numbers, possibly, along with letters. Okay, not a bot. Okay, now we should receive the registration email, like now, in theory. Here we are. Wow, super fast. Validation. You click here to validate. Okay, now you can log in to your account. All right. Here we go. This is your dashboard. You can see everything concerning your wallet and your KYC status, which has to be filled correctly and approved by our team members before the end of ICO. Otherwise, you will not get your tokens. You will get refund, but you will lose the fees. So please fill this up. Later I will show you how to. And you can see also my profile with your data and a page to set up the 2FA, which I strongly suggest to put if you have a considerable amount of tokens, and anyway it's better to have it. And here you can see your balance. Obviously there's nothing here because I just make the wallet. So how to contribute? Today you can use Ethereum, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic and Dash. So let's say I want to contribute with Ethereum for a total amount of 5,000 USD. Okay, now please be very careful when you copy the estimated cost in Ethereum. To copy it perfectly the same, when you send money from your when you send Ethereum from your wallet, make sure this number is the exact same as the one you put. Otherwise your transaction will be refused and you will be refunded, losing money, losing fees and time. Okay, now we have this page. I use a QR scanner wallet on my mobile, so you cannot see how I send money. Anyways, if you use MetaMask or another wallet, which is also good, the exchange wallets are also good to contribute initially, because when you will receive your tokens, only in this moment you will have to put an ERC20 compatible wallet. But for the moment you can also use your exchange address to contribute to our ICO. Okay, so you have this page. You have to scan this or send the exact amount to this address. Either way, you will have to send it identically. It will take like 20 minutes to confirm the transaction according to Ethereum chain speed or the other cryptocurrency speed. So you can put a higher gas price if you want to increase the speed, and don't use a very low amount, because if you use an amount which is too low, your transaction will just be buried under higher priority transactions. Okay, so now I will wait for the payment to be received by Coin Payments. Here we go. It seems like today Ethereum chain is very fast. So I just received my 5000 TMTV plus 1000 bonus because we are giving bonuses during the ICO. At the moment, the current bonus is 20%. It means you will get a 20% of bonus tokens. This bonus will progressively decrease along with the ICO progress. So for the donation, I think you got it. You know, you make your account, you register, and you send the cryptocurrency, making sure you put the exact amount in the transaction. Now, about the KYC. KYC means know your customer, and we are forced to do this because otherwise people could launder money with our project, and we do not want this. So you have to read our disclaimers, privacy policy, and etc. Here we remember you to read again the white paper, so you are very sure that you like what we are doing. And you have to upload passport images. You can also use driving license or ID card. They are okay. And the proof of address. Proof of address means a document like a bill, paid bill, which demonstrates that you reside in the place that you put filling your KYC module. So you have to take a picture of your bill, for instance, of the certificate that the major gives you when you take a house. And also you have to make sure that you are genuine. You have to upload a selfie with the document you submitted, and your face. They must be visible, please. Okay, I think that the tutorial is over. If you have any further questions, as you can see, you have to just pick the files and upload them. You see, and you upload them, and you are done. You have to complete this before ICO ends, otherwise you will lose the fees of your transactions even if you get your money back. And okay, I think the tutorial is over for the moment. If you have any further questions, please contact us either on our official channel, which is Multiversum Official on Telegram, or on our website chat, which is always working, is always running 24/7. So for any doubt, contact us. That's all for today. Thank you, and welcome to the Multiversum.
Multiversum, here to stay.